Okay, so why do children like cartoons? Not even children, I like cartoons a lot. So why do children like cartoons? It's silly, it's goofy, it has a lot of warning. Sound effect, of course, you know, if even in class we can teach you a little like change your voice, be scary, be silly, goofy. Kids like that. And also because it's colorful. A lot of colors in animations. Like green people, purple people, different color, multicolor people, and all in like pink hair, purple hair, green hair, white hair. It's colorful. Images, how in cartoons it's like out of ordinary images, like triangle head, SpongeBob is like huge with square, and all the other different cartoon characters. And of course, it's fun. Cartoons are fun. That's why if you ask your students to choose, do you want to watch cartoons or come to English class? They probably say, cartoons! Yes, obvious. But since they're attracted to animations or TV shows so much, that's why we shall make a learning environment just like a cartoon world. It's not like you have to put on costumes every time and go in with a crazy hat. If you can, of course, that's great, but not. What we can do is simply use different kind of imaginative touch. Like this, I'd like to share with you, this is my morning kindergarten, and when we do the theme, we just finished 2 weeks of cross-cultural and we learned and talked about South Africa. So before we all start the lesson, we decorate and our classrooms like this. So we have posters, we have colorful posters, as you can see with the animals. Wait, let me get my pointer. Wrong side. Ooh. Not bright enough. All right, never mind. So with the animals and the different homes of Africa, and actually this set comes with a very big, bright, colorful heading, and there are like 5 different small posters with animals, homes, people, and areas. I'll show you a bigger one so you can see better. This, the land, animals, homes, people, and the big heading. And as you can see around, that's the rhinoceros headpiece we made as an arts and craft. That all go together. It can be a wonderful decoration, and also your students feel like, oh, I'm in the environment. And then they will feel like excited about coming to school. And on top, you can see that's the flags we make, the South African flag that students and we make together. And also, there's like the map and the little facts. So they're all really colorful, and in the front you can see that's our South African dolls, arts and craft we made. So if it's younger students like my P class, they are age about 4 to 5. Of course, they are not gonna read all the facts and learn so many. But then just by looking at the pictures, they are amazed. Just by looking at the different animals, that's how they learn. And also, that was outside, as you can see, outside of our classroom on the big window, like a show window. And this one is like a big theme wall I made in my classroom. In here, I have a big, first I made like a South African poster. Right here, you can see this one. So with the 2 weeks, we learned like, oh, South Africa is famous for different things. And this chart, it's more about, I'm not gonna teach all the little details, but we might compare our South Africa and Taiwan. We know which one is bigger, their population, the people, we know which country has more, the capitals, the national flowers, and like the big 5, the famous animals, and like very simple Afrikaans, like how to say hello or goodbye or good morning. So with the big poster, and in the middle I have a world map, so to give students a better idea, okay, so where exactly are we? Where is Taiwan? And where is South Africa? And along you can see those are multicultural dolls that they come in a set. They all have different costumes from their country and like a little tag of their country's name. On the left of the tag, there's like a flag. On the right, there's the map of the country. It's a wonderful set. And with older students, you can do a lot more about geography, about flags, about map, location of the country. But with my younger students, This is a close-up look. So you can see there's Egypt, there's Netherlands, Germans, Saudi Arabia, China, Kenya, Japan, Australia, Mexico, and Brazil. And down here there's Canada, and there's United States. With my younger students, I did like an easier, sort of like just matching out, picking out the doll. And here you can see.
The world turns round and round. Look, what was sent to the brown-eyed boy from his abuela in Mexico? From Tapapa came a sombrero of straw. Oh, he never saw such a sombrero of straw. From Europe, Mexico. Who can help me find a boy from Mexico with
Escada. Justin. I've not tried it.
Yay! Find his big sombrero. Big hat. Where's big hat? Big sombrero. Thank you. And oh, look. What was sent to the black-haired girl from her Ojisa in Japan? From Kyoto came a kimono of queen. How she felt like a queen. In that kimono of queen. From Japan, far over the sea. Can you help me find a girl in that kimono from Japan? Okay, mother. Kimono from Japan. Who is wearing a kimono from Japan? Where is the kimono? Yes, can you say kimono? Japan. Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's in there. Yeah, I brought one, but it's not bright enough. So as you can see, this is like, excuse me, my 4 or 5 years old. We read a book called Look, the World Goes Round and Round. And then they're like different costumes. Children from different countries wearing different, their traditional costumes. So then I asked the students, we read about sombrero, like big hat from Mexico. So because we have the dolls from Mexico too, so they were able to identify, okay, that's a sombrero and this is like the child from Mexico. And for the South Africa theme, as you can see, like even the teachers would dress up. I was in like a leopard jacket that day. Actually, the whole 2 weeks I was in different animal prints because leopard is one of the big fives that we learned about South Africa.